We're on our way to the largest chapel in Canada, or should I say North America. Hello vlog, welcome to my guys. Andito po tayo ngayon sa St. Joseph de Montreal. Grabe, sobrang ganda po dito, sobrang lamig.
The largest tracker organ in North America, almost 6,000 pipes in terms of volume. It weighs 60 tons. Just the first pipe to your left weighs 1 ton.
The good thing is that bigyan po tayo ng chance na makaakyat po sa big organ, pipe organ. With this, thank you so much Apo Security. And na-mention ni Apo Security, bago ka makaakyat po dito, kailangan mong magpa-appointment. Dagdag pa niya, sabi niya ay 700 to 3,000 po per month po ang umaakyat po dito. And tayo po ay nabigyan ng chance. Even yung tita po ng girlfriend ko po ay ngayon lang po nakaakyat. Since 20 years po siya nakatira po dito sa Montreal, Quebec. And this is it guys, ito na po yung big pipe organ. Malalapitan at mahahawakan na po natin siya. Grabe, sobrang goosebumps po yung nararamdaman po namin dyan. Ikaw ba naman, first time mo pumasok sa biggest chapel sa buong Canada and second largest chapel sa buong mundo, next to St. Peter's Basilica. Dagdag pa niya, dati po daw tong maliit na simbahan.
And it turned into this one.
Ating pakinggan ng istorya.
New plans were drawn for the basilica, and at the time of Brother Andre's death in 1937, it lacked only the iconic, majestic dome.
By 1967, the oratory's dome was complete and became the second largest of its kind in the world after St. Peter's in Rome.
And because of happiness and excitement, napasayaw po kami sa bagong uso ngayon. Kung umabot po kayo sa videong to, paki-comment na rin po kung saan po kayo nanonood para alam namin kung saan nakarating tong videong to. Paki-like, paki-share, and pag-subscribe na rin. Thank you, Merry Christmas! By the way, ito po pala yung skincare ko.